Hello, this is Rapid Holding Systems showing you our RHS part number RHS-E7251. So this particular one is exact compatible of Erowa's ER-033703 MTS pallet. This one is a 2-head pallet and shares same specifications as of Erowa. So the length of this pallet is 400 mils, width is 240. The overall height is 45 millimeters. If I include the spigot height, the total height would be 85 mils. The spigot to spigot distance is 200 mils. So there will be 2 handles on the sides of the pallet, which makes easier lifting. This particular pallet is useful for clamping of workpiece or vises on pallet for machining or checking purposes. Material of this particular pallet is industrial standard stainless steel and total weight is 55 pounds. We also make the similar pallet in aluminum version, and this one is a great MTS tool and works great for all the machining and checking applications. Chooses RHS or Erowa's centering or checking spigot on this pallet. And this, if I lift it up, this pallet, the top of the pallet is plain. We also deliver this pallet with the grids and slots on the top of pallet, depends upon your requirement. So this particular part, RHS-E7251, is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. View the listing. Let us know if you have questions. We will be glad to help you.